I will be first taking out the common numbers coming in the 10th place, like I've done it here, this part. So I'll be doing the same thing here. This part also, what I'll be doing is that I'll be taking out the common numbers coming in the 10th place. If I see in the first row, we can see that all the numbers are having the common number in the 10th place, that is the 1. So first I'll be listing out the first stem, that is the 1. Then if I see in the second row, you can see you have 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, we have 1 here. So this way we have taken that, we have seen that all the numbers in the first row have the common number coming in the 10th place, that is the 1. So I've written it up over here. Then if I come towards my row 2, I see that all the numbers are having the common number in the 10th place, that is basically the 2. So let me mark it up in a different color, that is, you can see 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So I see that the second number, that is coming in the 10th place, and all of the numbers here, that is basically 2. If I see in the third row, I have two groups of numbers. Some numbers have 3 coming up in the 10th place, and some numbers have 4 coming up in the 10th place. So let me mark it up with a different color here. So we have 3 in 30, 31, 3 here, 3 in 34, 3 in 36, and then we have, if you see, 4 in 41, 4 in 42, 4 in 40. So now what I have to do is that I have to basically, if I see, first I know that the common number was 1, then there was 2, then there is 3, and then comes the 4. I'm not going to repeat the step again, writing the numbers in numerical order. इसमें बात पता है कि हमारे पास चाहे numbers mix करके दिए जाएं, small to big, big to small, हमें इस बात का ख्याल रखना है कि हम जो भी numbers लिखेंगे अपने leaf वाले part में, we have to take care that we are writing the numbers in the numerical order, that is from small to big. This will be followed in the stem part also. ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने 4 लिखा, फिर मैंने 3 लिखा, then मैंने 2, फिर मैंने 1 लिखा. No, that will be wrong. So you have to take care about this in both the parts, in the stem part also and in the leaf part also. So let's continue doing this. So we know that we have the smallest number here, that is 11. So 1 out common here, then 1 inside, that is in the leaf part. So let me change the color here. So that is 1 inside. Then again we have 12. So 1 outside and then 2 inside. We have taken the 1 common. अब जो हमारे पीछे रह गया वो हमारे पास है 8 है. We have 6, we have 9, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. एक दफ़ा जब कॉमन निकाल के बाहर लिख दे, forget about it and look at the ones place, the numbers in the ones place. So we have 2 here, 3, then we have 4, 3, then we have 4, then we have 6. I'm following the numerical order, I hope it's clear to everybody. Then we have 8. After 8 the largest number is 9. I hope there is no other number left out here. In the second row, if you guys see, what I'll do is that I will take 2 as the common number in the 10th place. I've written it out over here and I'll forget about it. The numbers left out is basically 2, 5, 1, 6, 2, 3. So if I see the smallest number here is 1, so 1 comes here, that is 2, 121. Then we have 2, that is 2, 222. Then we have 3, 2, 3 is 23. Then we have 5, 2, 5, 25. Then we have 6, 2, 6, 26. I hope I've done every number over here. Okay, I missed out one more number over here. There were 2 22s over here. So after doing 122, we have another one, that is one more 22. So I'll be writing 2 2s here. We will not be skipping the other one. क्योंकि हमारे पास यहाँ पे 2 नंबर 022 है, तो हम दोनों को लिखेंगे. So 1, again I'm repeating again, 1, 2, 121, 222, and there's another 22 over here, that is 222 again. Then I'll be having 2323, then we have 2525, then we have 2626. Then I'll be doing this again for the numbers having 3 as common in the tens place. So here we have the smallest number is 0, so 30 is 30, 31 is 31, then we have 34 is 34, and then we have 36 as 36. You guys will be seeing that I'm not putting any commas between the numbers because you don't have to do it. And secondly, I'm putting one number below the other. आपको ये line follow करनी है. You have to show that you're writing it in a proper way. Don't just mingle it all up. You have to follow the columns. एक नंबर के दूसरे नंबर आपको नीचे आना चाहिए. So now I'll go forward to the 4 for the numbers having 4 as common in the tens place. So we have 41 as 41. Let me do the color over here, a bit darker yellow. Then 42 is 42. Then we have 43 as 43. Now the problem up here is that you see too many numbers accumulating in one leaf. अगर देखा जाए एक स्टेम के आगे बहुत सारे नंबर्स हैं, तो हम यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं, हम यहाँ पे एक रेंज बना सकते हैं. So how are we going to make the range? What will I do is that I will see the highest number and then I will look at the lowest number. तो उसको देखते हुए हम एक रेंज बनाएंगे. अब वो रेंज कैसे बनेगी? Let's suppose if I see the highest number is basically the 11 and the lowest number is basically the 43. So I have to choose ranges. अब इस रेंज को मैं ब्रेक करूँगी कुछ पार्ट्स में. So I'll be showing it to you in a different document. अगर देखा जाए तो हमारे पास जो ये नंबर्स हैं, it is from 11 to 43. So अगर हम इनके starting points, अगर if you see here we have numbers from 11 to 43. If I break them up into ranges, I will basically have numbers from 10 to 19, from 20 to 29. Then we have numbers from 13 to 39. Then we have numbers from 40 to 49. अगर हम इस रेंज को ब्रेक डाउन करना चाहें तो हमारे पास ये रेंजेस आ रही है. मतलब हमारे पास जितने भी नंबर्स होंगे, क्योंकि अगर देखा जाए तो हम कोई भी ऐसे नंबर रैंडमली स्टार्ट नहीं करते. अगर हम एग्जांपल लें, जब हम लोग ग्राफ ड्रॉ करते हैं तो हम एक प्रॉपर स्केल फॉलो करते हैं. या अगर हम इसको भी अगर ना देखें, इफ यू सी इट दिस वे, ऑलवेज डूइंग इट दिस वे, 10 to 20. Then we have 21 to 30. Then we have numbers from 31 to 40. Then we have numbers from 41 to 50. लेकिन यहाँ पे इस रेंज में प्रॉब्लम है. हमेशा इस बात को मैं ख्याल रखना है कि मैंने ये रेंज क्यों प्रेफर की, क्योंकि मोस्टली स्टेम और लीफ डायग्राम में आप जब भी देखेंगे, यू विल सी दैट वी आर मोस्टली फॉलोइंग दिस रेंज. जब भी हम लोग रेंजेस बनाएंगे या जब भी हम लोग स्टेम में लीफ डायग्राम में स्प्लिटिंग करेंगे, तो हम इस रेंज के मुताबिक स्प्लिट करेंगे. वाई दिस रेंज एंड वाई नॉट दिस रेंज? अगर हम कैलकुलेट करें फ्रॉम 10, इफ़ आई फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन 20 एंड 10, तो इसमें कितने नंबर्स का फ़र्क आएगा? यू गाइस विल आंसर दैट बेसिकली यहाँ पे 10 नंबर्स का डिफरेंस आ रहे हैं. अगर हम 30 माइनस 21 करें, सो यू विल सी यू हैव द नंबर डिफरेंस 9. यहाँ पे आपके पास कितना डिफरेंस आएगा? 9 नंबर्स का डिफरेंस आ रहा है. यहाँ पे कितने नंबर्स का डिफरेंस आ रहा है? 9 नंबर्स का डिफरेंस आ रहा है. हमारे पास जो है एक क्राइटेरिया है. वी हैव अ क्राइटेरियन स्टेम एंड लीफ डायग्राम दैट इफ़ यू आर स्प्लिटिंग द नंबर्स, और जो अगर हम रेंज तैयार कर रहे हैं तो उन रेंजेस का इक्वल होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर हम यहाँ पे देखें तो जो इसका डिफरेंस होगा इसके डिफरेंस से इक्वल होगा, जो इसका डिफरेंस होगा वो इसके डिफरेंस से इक्वल होगा, और जो इसका होगा वो इसके साथ इक्वल होगा.